Here's a Roadster at Unique Specialty and Classics to check out. This one's actually a replica. 1962 Austin-Healey replica. Was made by Classic Roadsters. It's actually called the Sebring MX. It's titled as the 1991. It was finished being built in 1993. Has approximately 17,000 miles on it. It's powered by a 289 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, C4 to be exact. Power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome in the front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds, some Austin-Healey badging on it. Bright red, beige interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, cargo area. You'll also see it with the top up, top down. And at the end of this video, I will fold the top up. It's underneath the convertible top cover back there. It does stay on the car when it's driven, and if you need to put it up for, say, a brief shower, or maybe you want to get out of the sun, not a problem. We're going to do that. I'll show you the condition of it. But first, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Spoked wheels, radial tires. This car will come with the assembly manual that was used when it was built. There's also a list of many of the items that were used in the production of this when it was built. And as you can see, paint shows well. It's a nice shine to it. Yeah, you're going to find maybe a spot that's touched up or an imperfection here or there. Yes, the car's been driven. Actually, Jason's going to take it for a drive at the very end of this video, show you how it drives out. Retro sound style radio installed. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer peek at that interior, start it up, let you hear it run. First, let's take a look at the chrome in the rear of the car. We have some more of the Austin-Healey emblems. And there will be some miscellaneous things that will go along with this too. Looks like there's a car cover, shifter boot, some door edge trim. It's like an extra coolant container, some headlight screens, jack. And you can check out those things in the still pictures too, and we'll send that along with the car, go back into the trunk of it. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these Roadsters, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. I see I have that seat belt that snuck out the bottom of the door, so we're going to go ahead and flip that back so you can get a good look at this driver's side. So, of course, this would be a glass body car. When these videos are uploaded, of course, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Tires are date coded 2024, in good shape. Technician noted the front calipers and brake hoses have been replaced. Does have front disc, rear drum brakes. There is a manual choke underneath the dash, just kind of about where your left knee would be once you're sitting in there. Let's go ahead and check it out. So we have a tilt column. And we're indoors here. I don't think I'm going to need that choke. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's the miles. That's since built, 16,946. Here's the fuel gauge. Is working. Oil pressure over here, temp gauge, and how about tack? Tack there. I have had the radio working. And there is fan controls and a fan that blows, heater only. Little clock on the dash and wood grain dash. Just slip around to the back of this so you can hear it run. You can also see that the seats free of ripped stairs holes, and again, seat belts intact. A little rumble coming out of that 289. This thing has to move. Sounds good. All right, let's get this hood open. The release for the hood is down below, kind of a little off center to the right, so you're aware of where the hood release is. Let's get this hood popped open. Check out that engine bay. We'll get that top up so we can take a peek at that. Then we'll have Jason take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, hood popped. There it is. So aluminum radiator. There it is at 289. Can't really see the brake booster, but there's power brakes. There's just a slight exhaust tick, like an Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. Edelbrock Performer intake manifold. Tell you what, that thing runs smooth, no doubt about that. All right, so 1962 Austin-Healey Roadster Replica. It's considered the Sebring MX, and it was made by Classic Roadsters. Let's get this convertible top up, check out that, and let Jason take her for a rip. And the convertible top to check out. All right, so above the windshield here, it's got the groove where it fits into, nice and tight. Top fits good there. So tan or saddle vinyl top. Rolled the side glass up so you can see how that fits. Not too bad. Snaps nice and tight to the body. We're not noticing any rips, tears, or holes. Rear plastic windows clear. And around to the passenger side. Getting no rip, tears, or holes over here. That side glass rolled up so you can see how it fits there also. We need it to keep you out of a shower or the sun. I think it's going to serve its purpose just fine. Now, all the still pictures, top up, top down, undersides, interior, engine bay on this car, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1962 Austin-Healey Roadster. We do have the top down today. Now this Roadster has a top and it has windows, which makes it handy to do these videos. It's basically your average convertible, but an awesome 62 Austin-Healey. Turn signal indicator's working. This is an automatic on the floor. Wood steering wheel. Nice throwback piece. Gauges from VDO. Our tachometer is working, the speedometer is working. Fuel gauge showing almost a full tank. Water temperature 180 degrees. And the oil pressure is about 70, so that is all looking good. We have a digital radio on the dash. Pretty good sound from that. Those speakers are right behind me. A two-seater car. A beautiful styled car. The chrome and the red looking great. We have an add-on blower motor system right here that does work. Bucket seats, very comfortable. Now I'm 6'1" and I fit in this car just fine. I do have the top down today, of course, but it's not uncomfortable. Real wood in the dash, not just wood grain, but some real wood. I love the louvers in the hood, letting out the heat. Brakes are nice and smooth. There's our friend the sheriff. Hopefully he likes me today. Corners nicely. Corners very flat. A lot of these little cars, I lovingly say that they handle like a go-kart, and this does in all the good ways. Very little slack in the steering. Just a fun car to drive, especially with the top down. 62 Austin-Healey. Find all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.